This course is designed to introduce you to the world of trading through the lens of a game. We believe that by treating trading as a game, you can learn the skills and strategies necessary to succeed in a fun and engaging way. The course will use a variety of games to help you hone your skills and build your confidence as a trader. A key concept is the idea of an infinite game versus a finite game. This concept is described in Chapter 1 of the book Finite and Infinite Games by James Carse. In this book, Carse argues that there are two types of games. Finite games have a clear endpoint and a winner, while infinite games are ongoing, and have transformation as the goal. For instance, think about a game like backgammon. It's finite because it has a beginning, an end, and a clear winner. With backgammon, you can also play a match, where one person needs to win a fixed number of points, normally requiring a series of individual games. This, also, is a type of finite game. In a tournament, the eventual winner will have been the victor in many matches. Guess what? We are still in the realm of finite games. But backgammon also has a rating system for players, and a serious player attempts, through competition, to rise through the ranks to achieve a better and better rating. That is the infinite game. The game of transformation from novice to grandmaster. Just like backgammon, trading can be seen as a series of finite games. Each trade you make can be viewed as a separate game with a specific goal and a clear winner or loser. However, your ultimate goal in trading is not based on a single trade, but rather to continuously improve and achieve better and better results over time. In this sense, trading can be seen as an infinite game, where the objective is to transform from a novice trader to a master trader. The journey to become a successful trader is never-ending. Even the markets are constantly changing and new challenges arise. But, just like the journey to become a backgammon grandmaster, the pursuit of mastery in trading is what makes the game so rewarding. So, as you embark on your trading journey, remember that each trade is a finite game, but the journey to become a top trader is an infinite game. By approaching trading with this mindset, you will be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the market, and continually improve your skills over time.